Hi, I'm Dennis Giannetti, and I'm a certified ninja selling instructor here to talk to you about the ninja installation. Now, first thing I want to say is if you're considering it, smart move. Here's why. 3 letters, TSW. This stuff works. I've been in the business since 1988, and when I saw the ninja selling system back in 2008, I knew it was going to be a game changer. This system works regardless of your personality and regardless of the market. I've seen it with myself, and I've seen it with my clients, and I've seen it all over the country with the people that I've met, of the 60,000 graduates or so that have gone through the system. In this particular program, which is 4 days, you're going to learn everything from mindset, business planning, the famous Ninja 9 lead generation, one of the best listing consultation systems I've ever seen before, buyer consultation, negotiation, you name it. This is a proven system that over the years have allowed people to succeed by increasing their dollar per hour so that they can have a life. Now, the 4 days is an immersion. You're going to go through that program and you're going to get the entire system and everything that comes with it. We're going to show you how to walk the ninja path. And then when you start walking it, you're going to see it's not going to take a whole lot of time for you to become successful the ninja way. I'm really looking forward to seeing you and sharing this with you and helping you get on the ninja path as you become more successful, create more fulfillment in your life, and have as much progress as you want to bring the happiness that you desire. Thanks so much, everybody. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.